आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If the coefficient of pure term in the expansion 1 plus x raised to the power n is p and the coefficient of p plus 1 term is q, then n equal, so we know the general term of a binomial expansion, that is tr plus 1 equal to ncr x raised to the power n minus r y raised to the power r in case it's expansion of x plus y raised to the power n. Here we are given the expansion of 1 plus x raised to the power n. So the pure term would be, what would be the pure term? Tp. That can be written as Tp minus 1 plus p, 1. Okay, so here r is p minus 1, right? R is p minus 1. Compared to this thing, r is p minus 1 and n is n. So it becomes ncp minus 1 x. What is x here? 1. So no need to write that because 1 raised to power anything is 1. So there is no need to write that. And then comes the term x raised to the power p minus 1. But we are concerned about the coefficient here. So there is no need to write x. Okay. Let me write x. Then I'll separately write the coefficient then. X raised to the power p minus 1. So coefficient of pure term would be ncp minus 1 and that is given as p. This is first condition. Also similarly coefficient of the pure term p plus 1th term would be ncp x raised to the power p. So coefficient of p plus 1th term would be ncp only, right? And that is q. These are two equations. So first we use the basic definition of combination. Here ncp minus 1 is n factorial upon n minus p plus 1 factorial, p minus 1 factorial, right? That is p. Similarly this thing becomes n factorial upon n minus p factorial and p factorial, and this is equal to q. Okay, so what we can do here is just this is p upon 1, just cross multiply p here, bring p on this side, left hand side. So this becomes n minus p plus 1 factorial. P minus 1 factorial into p would be p factorial, and this becomes 1, and here it remains same, n factorial upon n minus p factorial equal to q. Okay, so these are, let's say, 3 and 4. Now what we can do is we can divide 4 by 3. Dividing 4 divided by 3, what we get? The 4 is n factorial upon n minus p factorial upon this here is n factorial upon n minus p plus 1 factorial p factorial, right? And this is q upon 1, so it is q. We solve this further, so we get n minus p plus 1 factorial p factorial n factorial upon n minus p factorial n factorial. P factorial and n factorial gets cancelled, and here what will remain? N minus p plus 1, which equates to q. So we have to find the value of n in the question, and we get the value as p plus q minus 1. So this is the final answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई, मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।